This is a patch to edit text files in Blender with tab size and tabs as spaces options different for each file. There is a new option in user preferences file that let us define the tab size by default to any new file we open or we create. Text editor, new file. We see the options tab width and tabs and spaces, but if we close all the files, those options disappear because now they depend on the file. So we create a new file and with tabs width 4 and tabs as spaces. So a tab is 4 spaces. In this case, this tab line is converted in spaces, 4 spaces. If we reduce to 3, we have 3 spaces before the start of the line. Of course, if we change to no tabs as spaces, tabs are treated like tabs. And while we retain the tab key, we can change its size in the screen. We create a new file with different options. In this case, tabs are kept, now converted to spaces. So, if we change file, we see different options applied to our file and our screen.